Tonia's home of the Hopeless Foundation don't celebrate their Christmas Children Festival party. The event shele for Odion Owase for Benin City. The event will get different activities like busting of balloons, Bible games, passing the ball, dancing competition and Father Christmas. Mercy Vincent for a message come talk say, before dem born Jesus, Prophet Isaiah don first prophesy say dem go born a king wey im name go be Emmanuel. She come still talk say,
Hundreds of years before the first Christmas happened, there was a man named Isaiah. He was the king's advisor. He advised the king about saying, if you want to go and meet a king and you dress well, you wear five clothes, you comb your hair. That was not happened to Isaiah. Isaiah was one of the king's advisors. Isaiah was one of the king's advisors. He advised the king and he saw the king things that troubled the king's mind. But one day something different happened. Isaiah saw something that he had never seen before. He saw the throne room of heaven open, and he was afraid. He thought he was going to die because he was seeing God. You know that some people say if you see God, you die. So now that he was seeing that, as he had seen God, he was going to die. We do not exactly know where Jesus was born, but many people all around the world celebrate the birth of Jesus on the 25th of December. Is that true?
after the event, Jacob Helene wey talk to Tori people come talk say the program start from house to house and say the founder of the event dream na to put smile on people face wey no get the means to take care of their children, and say the event no just dey about children as they still reach out to widows.
It's a program that started from home to home. Convener of this foundation, what she really wants to do is to put smiles into people's faces, like those who cannot afford to take care of their children, school materials, coming together, make them happy, cook for them, share gifts for them. And we have done it almost 3 times now. This is the 3rd year. The previous ones, we normally go to the orphanages, share gifts to them. But since last year, I think we did same thing last year. All the children were happy, even the widows. We do give them gifts. And she's somebody that loves giving. She's a giver. And she's a counselor and a mother too. She has been doing this thing even before she established this foundation. She has been doing it. It's just not something that is new. That is new. And seeing her sometimes, when I look at her personally, I told myself, this thing she's doing is inborn in her. She doesn't want to see you suffering. She doesn't want to see you looking sad. What she will tell you, what is the matter with you? When you tell her, she will tell you, don't worry. That don't worry, your problem is being solved. At least, if not 100%, about 82 to 85% is solved. And she alone cannot carry the burden, but there are other dignitaries that still assist us in doing this event annually, like the SSG, Barrister Osarojan Oji, Esquire, and others that they don't want their name to be mentioned. I think we appreciate every one of them. Those that we mentioned their name, those that we have not mentioned their names, we really appreciate them. They put smiles on the face of the little kids. Even seeing the Father Christmas alone is something. Gathering the children, giving them gifts, sharing things for them is something that we really appreciate her doing.
Pastor Paul Pogosin, Osaruyi and some children wey talk to our Tori people come talk say,
we thank God for a program like this. Tonia hope for the hopeless. In fact, the children, they happy well. In fact, they come here, they collect free gift. They are happy. They dance. They have many talent where they display for here. So, very, very encouraged. We thank God for the Tonia Hope Foundation. You can see there are many. They are collecting free gifts. They are not using money. It's free, and they are happy. So a lot of children came from far place, and they are here. for the children party today. May God bless the foundation. More money in their pocket. Money no go dry for their pocket. Oh.
Na good thing say that they bring children together to celebrate them, to make them feel happy, because most of our children, they always there inside house. But today, she shared joy with them, and this season now for sharing of joy and happiness.
You know, say this party where they organize for children, say no easy, no. As the country be, so they feel organize party. I give her gbozai, 100 gbozai for her. You know, is and see the way children they happy today. They dance, they celebrate. I beg, Antonia, Fogosi, you are too much.
We are happy today because upon the katakata we did this country, money no day. So God can empower our mama, Mrs. Pastor Mrs. Antonia Pogosi. May she take cook for everybody. But the children will not get to eat, but they will get to eat. The food surplus make everybody eat this period. I don't know how God take one more, but God really empower her. And I pray next year, may God give her more power and more money. May she take do more in Jesus' name.
Thank you very much. I didn't expect this. Thank you very much. Even though things are very expensive in the market, you guys still celebrated Christmas for us. Thank you very much. I pray God expand Tonia Hope of the Hopeless Foundation and bless them richly and abundantly. The mighty name of Jesus.
This party, what they do for the children, my first of its kind, because the children they are happy. No children they like things like this. Children they like this kind of thing, no, because they too like them. That is why the place come full for children, because they like anything want to celebrate like this. This is their day, now their day. So that is why you also say this kind of time now I right for the children to celebrate them, because children will celebrate it. They are the leaders of tomorrow. So we thank God for the successful children's Christmas party.
And I am the beneficiary. I will say thank you to Tonia Foundation. I really love this package. I love you. I love you all. Thank you for this package. I really love it. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. My expectation next year is to have a bigger view, as in a bigger expression. What I want is that they need to share it to all those children in the streets. I hope Tonia can help me do this.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Benin City, Pelumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.